Hi, my name is Yanangen, and I implemented the offline version of the app. I achieved the basic logic and added UI. So the user has a choice to use custom player number and spy number. And they have the choice to play a game or quit the game. Thank you.
And also demo the part of the online game part, which is what I built. And here you can see this is the main screen of our app. By clicking create an account, it will take to the register page, and you need to enter the email, username, and password. And each one cannot be empty. If you only just have username and the password, it will fail you as a register part. It will text you says email can be empty. Another thing is that you can't uh, put the already registered account here because it will take the information and verify online, so on the server. So if you put this information in there, it will pass it. It will fail as well. See here, and I'm gonna use some for new information. All right, and if you register successfully, it will take you to wait. Okay, that one's already takes. Oh, I think it's the username. All right. Um, if this passes, it will take you to the login screen. This is the same by clicking login from the main page, and you can just enter the account you register, and it will log in and jump to the show word part. This word comes from the online server database, and we have different level of words. And after this, other users can also get their word. When you memorize a word, you can just start the online chart to describe a word. Here, if you this is just basically a online chat. If you put any message here, it will pops up here, and also others people can send message. Just for demo, I'm just sending a message from online resources. In real life, users should send email send messages from app instead. Here, the four message I just sent pops up here. When everyone describes the word, you can just go into vote and click the one you think will spy, and it tells you win or lose. And when you click play again, you will jump to show word part again, and everything's same. So I'm gonna talk about improvement from here. For now, the app its functionality is barely just for demoing because we don't have the concept of a room, so which means we don't have a mechanism to match different users or players to make them play together. So there comes a problem. Since we cannot manage how many people playing together, we don't know what's the number of spies and we don't know what number of people, so we cannot really manage the rules. An improvement is that one way is that we can add a concept rule by user can choose to create a rule or join a rule after they log in, and when they create rule they can enter how many people they want and how many spies they want, just like the offline version. And after this part, um, the everything else is same. The people in same room and to enters to the chat part, and they can vote. After vote, the statistic will pass back to the server and get the information like if the game should continue or should end, and the voted person should be removed from the room so everyone else can start chart. If it's not end, the game doesn't end, and that's what we propose in the future, so we can maybe implement in the future like this improvement. All right, that's it.
Hi everyone. Here are some details about backend. In this project, the backend APIs are very important. We have implemented two types of the APIs. One is for user registration or login. This is for online mode. And another is for vocabulary. It is for both online and offline mode. As described in the proposal, the key for the success of this game is vocabulary and word selection. In our application, we have built vocabulary by selecting multiple main categories and subcategories of data. Also, the backend API can adaptively select words based on the difficulty level. It makes our game attraction. And the difficulty level 1 is randomly retrieve two terms from two main categories, one term from one category. Difficulty level 2 is randomly retrieve two terms from two subcategories, one term from one subcategory. Difficulty level 3 is randomly retrieve two terms from the same subcategory. So in front end, the level of difficulty is judged based on how many rounds needed in current game. If fewer rounds are needed for current round, the difficulty level of the following game passed to the backend API will be increased. Otherwise, it will be decreased. In backend, based on the past difficulty level, we retrieve the words from the same or different categories. It is how it works. We've already talked about the offline mode and online mode and the backend. So let's talk about our conclusion. So in our proposal, we described the online mode requires more effort and probably only its basic features can be delivered by the end of its semester. In our final delivery, we have met this goal by implementing all basic features and some advanced features. For advanced features, we mainly implemented adaptive learning feature, which different our app with other apps in the market. We have no time to implement rewards or penalty feature proposed. Because of extra time spent on backend, we think this feature can be work in the future.